Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start a new chapter from the Hornbill, and the title of that chapter is Discovering Truth. The saga continues. Right? Now let me tell you about what is the short summary, or you can say the brief story of this chapter. Now this chapter is about discovering the truth and the story behind the uh, history of the tooth. Now, what is tooth? I'll explain you later on. The story is about one Egyptian ruler and whose name is Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun is the short name is Tut. उसको Tut बुलाते थे. That is the short name. And he was died at a teenager age. Teenager age means between 13 to 19. And in that time, when he was died, that the mystery of his death is still there. So when he was died and why he was died, the other people right now, they are trying to know after 80 years. Okay, he was taken from the उसको वापस लेके आते हैं, सिटी स्कैन करवा के है, so to find out or to solve the mystery of his life and death, right? So this is story after the discovering the truth and the mystery of the death of the that Egyptian ruler, that is the truth. And this saga continues means वो आपने बाद में सिखाती हूँ. Okay, so let's start line by line. The story is about discovering truth. The saga continues. Now, discovering means searching something, and truth, that I told you that this is the short name of that Egyptian ruler. And saga. Saga means the story, and saga is story and continues. Still, after the death of that truth, that ruler, the story still continues. This is the title which you can define, and the writer of this story is A.R. Williams. Okay, उसका नाम A.R. Williams है. So let's start line by line explanation. He was just a teenager when he died. Now you know that teenager means the year between 13 to 19 age के जो बच्चे होते हैं उसको teenager बोलते हैं. So this dude was died when he was just a teenager. Teenager था तब वो मर गया. The last heir of powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest, laden with gold, and eventually forgotten. Now, last heir. Heir means the successor, or you can say the inheritor. उसके पापा के बाद उसका नाम आता है, उसके नाम ना the hereditary, right? वो जो आती है successor पापा के बाद. So that was the last. Tut was the last inheritor from the family, that family who ruled the Egypt from many centuries. तो ये वाला लास्ट में था. So 13 या 14 19 ईयर के बीच में he was died, and it was a mystery that why he was died and when he was died. And when he was laid to, and I told you that in Egypt there was that they went the people from ruler or from empire, and if they are very rich, they put them, they mummify them. Means mummify means to put in a mummy. This is one type of procedure they do to have a mummy. बहुत सारी प्रोसीजर करके उसको रखते हैं. तो we'll see that what is the meaning है, what is the exact procedure of that. So उसकी मम्मी बना के उसको रख दिया था. And in that they have gold and eventually forgotten. बहुत सारा गोल्ड के साथ, बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ उसको मम्मी किया था, मम्मी बनाया था. And now eventually after 80 years he is forgotten. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1920, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. Now, in 1922, that the discovery that they found at the modern area, right now in 1922, the modern world discovered this tomb. उसको ये tomb discovered किया था, and they would like to know, speculative means form a theory without any evidence. They don't have any evidence that what happened before 80 years. So whether it was a murder or what, that's why they they are trying to discover the mystery of his death. So this is the thing that he was talking. Okay, now in 1922 they discovered this tomb and they started to find out that the mystery of his death, why and when he was died. Okay, the ruler was died. Okay, now leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tooth has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death. Now here you can see that. So right now 1922, it means it is a modern one and we have all the facilities to find out or investigate and to find out the evidence of his death. So after 80 years, 80 years के बाद Tooth has undergone a CT scan. CT scan आपको पता है that is बारीक की बारीक जो भी आपके बॉडी में जो भी है वो उसका स्कैनिंग करते हैं और पहले उस पे हट जाता है और फिर पूरा बॉडी उसमें जाता है. So offer maybe that CT scan offer any clues about his life and death and provides precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction. Now forensic reconstruction आपको पता होगा that process of recreating the face of individual. Now how the face of that ruler was to find out that of the boys Pharaoh. Pharaoh means that is a ruler, the name of that ruler in ancient Egypt. So उसके लिए उनको सिटी स्कैन के लिए लेके जाते हैं to find out his face structure by recreating it. Okay, next. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the King. Now, here you can see that the angry wind. Now, in Egypt, the people of Egyptian were talking about or they were thinking about the rebirth of that person. Means they are believing in rebirth and they believe in ghosts and sometimes superstitions also. So here they were talking about an angry wind. बहुत सारी wind stirred ghostly dust devils as King Tut. जब King Tut को लेके जाते हैं from his resting place in the resting place means जब उसको tomb में लेके जाते हैं in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as Valley of the Kings. जो ये place है जहाँ पे उसकी tomb रखी है, मम्मी बना के लेके जाते हैं, वहां तक जब लेके गए थे, that time there was very angry wind which is like ghostly dust devils. Okay, so the scene was like that. The dark bellied clouds had scuddered across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in cascade gray. Now जब उसको लेके जाता है तो dark bellied means dark in color. The clouds were dark in color and had scuddered across. Scuddered across means moving quickly. That the clouds are moving quickly at the desert sky all the day and now. पूरे दिन and right now also were veiling. Veiling means to cover something. The stars in cascade. Cascade means when some ornament box होता है. So जिसमें हम ज्वेलरी और some important things we values or objects रखते हैं. Cascade gray. It means that the gray clouds were like a gray colored cascades. Means एक cascade जैसे लग रहे थे. And which contains the stars. Stars उसमें वो basket में क्या था? पूरा stars था. And the stars are like jewels which are kept in a cascade. So ये पूरा scenario and what is the physical appearance of the weather that is described here. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. 2005 की बात पे 6 बजे का टाइम था. The world's most famous mummy gilded head first into a CT scanner brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. Now just imagine to find out the truth and the mystery of his death on this day. ये सारा पूरा एटमोस्फियर हो गया था and people were also believing in Egyptian mystery and the world's most mummy gilded. Gilded means quite continuous motion first into a, means आपका जो मम्मी है उसका जो मम्मी था उसका उसको सीटी स्कैन में डालते हैं सो तो फर्स्ट हेड जाता है उसके बाद पूरा बॉडी जाता है सो दैट दे कैन लिंगरिंग मीन्स लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मेडिकल मिस्ट्रीज जो पूरी मेडिकल मिस्ट्रीज से लिटिल अंडरस्टूड CT scan से they can understood the long lasting medical mysteries of the death of this tooth which who was died this young ruler died more than 3,300 years ago. On afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into the cramped, rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. Now, here you can say that at that time at 6 p.m. that descended means to gather. They gathered here so many tourists from all around the world into the cramped. Cramped means बहुत छोटी सी place, मतलब बहुत small to fit into and rock cut made in rock by cutting it means rock cut करके जो बनाते हैं वैसी एक छोटी सी tomb में same 26 feet underground 26 feet underground थी to pay their respect. उसको रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए so many tourists came there. They gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chamber and peered at Toot's gilded face, the most striking feature of his mummy's shaped outer coffin lid. Now here the gazing means to look in surprise or in admiration, or you can see the murals. Murals means painting and the carving on the wall, right? That is also wall of the burial chamber. जो उसकी burial chamber थी वहां पे जो picture था वो and peers at Toot's gilded face covered with a thin sheet of coated gold. उसका पूरा face coated gold का था, पूरा gold का था, which is covered. The most striking is prominent feature of his mummy saved outer coffin lid. So उसका coffin का जो lid था उसपे भी पूरी mummy draw की गई थी, carve की गई थी. So the people were gazing with surprise or admiration to see the tomb of that Tooth tomb, the ruler. Some visitors read from guidebooks in a whisper. Okay. Now some of the visitors were also reading the guidebooks in a slowly. Whisper means speaking very slowly because they have one superstition that if you speak loudly that something bad will happen. Others stood silently. So see here you can say that others stood silently, cannot speak anything. Perhaps pondering Toot's untimely death in his late teens or wondering with assure if Pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune falling upon those who disturb him was really true. Pondering means think about something carefully. Now here they have one superstition and the superstition is that कि अगर ये right now the Tooth is in a tomb, he was died in late teens and if he gave a curse, अगर कोई curse दे दिया, if we disturbed him, अगर हम अभी it will not whisper or it will not be silent and if we disturb him, it will give us a curse and the death or misfortune will fall upon the people, those who are speaking loudly and those who are not silent. So they believe that and that was really true. They believe the Egyptians are believing in it. That's why they are whispering, the visitors are whispering and the local people have stood silently and admiring the Tooth's tomb. The mummy is in very bad condition. Okay. Now because you know that after many 3,300 years के बाद this is the thing The mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s, said Jahi Haswas. Okay, I'll tell you that who is Jahi Haswas. Okay, okay. Now I'll tell you that who is this Jahi Haswas. Hawas. That is who is the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for long forced look. Okay. So in 1920 में that is this Jahi, that is the secretary. उसने क्या किया था? That is okay. उसने क्या किया था? He had He leaned over the body for the long first look. Carter Howard Carter, that is, was the British archaeologist who in 2020 discovered Tombstone after years of fertile searching. ये जो पूरा है उसने पूरा उसने सर्च किया था. दैट इज द कार्टर हावर्ड. उसने टूट की जो पूरी टूम्ब थी. Okay, so he was that person who discovered this tomb in 1922, and that time, okay, this the condition of the mummy was very bad. Its contents, though hastily, it contents, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. Okay, here it is talking about the tomb. Tomb is unset. Unset का मतलब क्या है पूरा? That is the thing. Antiquity means age or old, and were surprisingly just a second. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. So it contains very, in short, that tomb was very old and it is surprisingly complete. That time he did something, that Jahi Haswas, and he had stolen something, and it is surprisingly complete. वो पूरा complete हो गया था उसका काम that time. They remained the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of Farhan's legend. So that time, that the tooth, that mummy was the richest, subset rich royal collection was found in that mummy, because I told you that that time, that in the tomb they put everything, every essential things, even gold ornaments, apron. I'll tell you later on which are the things will be put in the mummy. So that is the royal collection was found, and it was a legend. वो पूरा legend था. Stunning art tricks in gold, their eternal brilliance meant to guarantee resurrection, caused a sensation at the time of the discovery and still get the most attention. So, what do you mean by resurrection? Resurrection means to having a new life. अगर दूसरी बार वो जीते उसको resurrection बोलते हैं. So that time people were thinking about that there is a life after death. Okay, so that is, they are also thinking that. That's why they are putting all the essential golds and all the royal collection in the tomb. Okay, but Tut was also buried with everyday things he would want to in the afterlife. Okay, afterlife means life after death. I told you that based on the belief that the essential part of an individual's identity continues to the next life after the death of physical body. I told you. So this happened to him also. उसको भी buried जब किया गया था that time. So the Toot's body, sorry, the Toot's mummy have so many essential everyday things which is used by the Toot after his death, that is the board games, bronze razor, linen undergarment, cases of food and wine. So these are the things were there in the tomb which were put in a mummy. After months of carefully recording the pharaoh's funerary treasure, Carton began investigating his three nested coffins. Opening the first, he found, okay, now here यहाँ पे बात करते हैं। तो जब कार्टर ने जब 1920 में कार्टर ने जब ये फाउंड की थी टॉम, दैट टाइम ही फाउंड दिस थिंग्स, ये सब फाउंड किया था। एंड आफ्टर मंथ्स ऑफ केयरफुली रिकॉर्डिंग, उसका रिकॉर्ड किया था फारोन फ्यूनरी ट्रेजर, उसका जो भी ट्रेजर्स थे, ओके। फ्यूनरी फ्यूनरी ट्रेजर्स का मतलब थ्री नेस्टेड कॉफिन होता है। थ्री नेस्टेड कॉफिन आपको यहाँ पे दिखा है, थ्री नेस्टेड कॉफिन। Now what is three nested coffins placed one in another order of decreasing size? Decreasing size means first is long, then second. Decreasing size सबसे छोटा, उससे ऊपर और उससे बड़ा। The innermost coffin houses the, सबसे जो छोटी कॉफिन होती है अंदर, इनर मोस्ट, उसमें मम्मी रखी जाती थी। तो दिस इज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ दिस